naming of the bicyclo compounds. Here prefix means the front. Prefix is bicyclo. Prefix is bicyclo. Number of carbon atoms in a bridge. Number of carbon atoms in bridge are written in decreasing order. Written in decreasing order. So in square brackets, separated by full stop. This is important point. So for example I am taking one compound like this. So this one have bicyclo means 2 cyclic rings. So this name also prefix what? Bicyclo. Carbon atoms in a bridge are written in decreasing order in square brackets. Now in this name 1 2 3 4. In this bridge, this side 4 carbons, this side 2 carbons. So now what we will do? Decreasing order, no? 4 square bracket, open square brackets, 4 full stop, 2 full stop, 0. What is that 0? 4 means these 4 carbon atoms. 2 means these 1 and 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms. 0 means in this bridge have any carbon means we will mention that carbon atom also. Total number of carbon atoms is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So root word is octane. This is a bicyclo 4 full stop, 2 full stop, 0 octane. This is the name of bicyclo compound. One example. Next one more example I will take, that is like this compound. So in this compound 2 cycles is there, that we will call bicyclo. Bracket open, 1 2 this side, 1 2 this side. So both are same. 2.2 point, here 1 is there. So in this bridge how many carbons? Here only 1 carbon. 1. Close the brackets. Total number of carbons is 7. So heptane. Hepta means 7. Heptane. This is the name of that compound. Next one example I will take like this. Like this. Like this. This is the compound. So this compound name here, it is not attached in this place. Not attached. So it is a 3D, but I can't show you here. This is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, this is carbon, this is and this is. Total number of carbons I will calculate. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 only is there. In this cross there is no carbon. It is like upward direction is there, like so that only 8 carbons only. In this, how can you calculate how many is there? So here 1 2 for one bicyclo. Here also 2 cycles. One is bicyclo 3 twos. So 1 2 is this one, another 2 is this one, remaining 2 is this one. So here is bridge, here is bridge. So here 2 carbons, here 2 carbons, here 2 carbons. So in this is the bridge. So 3 and 8 bridge. This one like 1 page, this one 5 and 4 is 1 page, 6 or 7 1 page, like is there. Here 1 and 2 1 page. So this is 3 8 is what is that? Bridge. So here 1 and 2 carbons, here 4 5 2 carbons, 6 7 also 2 carbons. So 2 is to 2 is to 2, total octane no, 8 no, octane, OCT, octane. So this is the compound name. Next, substituent present in, the name how we will give. See, if substituent present, if substituent present, then name starts from bridged carbon, and then we move from large ring to small ring. Large ring to small ring we will go. Substituent present means name will start from the bridged carbon. So that example also 2 or 1 we will discuss, means you can understand. So like this is a hexane having one 5-membered ring. This ring also having bromine. Substituent is there. Now we will go for what substituent present, then name bridged bringing starts from bridged carbon. Yes, starts from bridged. So we will start for one bridged, and then we move from the large ring to small. No, so 1 we will give here, 2 3 4 5 6, this one 7 8 9. If we will give here 1 means we will go for this way. Substituent will come which number? We will check. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 will come. Now this side we will get 7. So lowest number only will get. So rule what? If substituent present, name starts from the bridged carbon, and then we move from large ring to small ring. If small ring we will give 1 2, it is enough, 1 2 3 4. But bridged carbon only we will give first number and move from large ring to small ring. So substituent present in small ring. So this way we will go. No, it is not correct, because of the small ring we won't go. Only number we will go bridged carbon atom, and we will go for the large number. Which side it will be lowest number will come, that side we will move. So if we are giving here 1 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 will come for bromine. Now it will come 7 only. So this is correct. So name bicyclo, 2 cycles, that's why bicyclo. In this bridge, this side how many carbons? 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbons. Bracket open, 4 point. In this how many carbons? 1, 2, 3 carbons. 3 point. Bridge have how many carbons? No carbon, only bridge is there. Here in between this 6th and 1, no carbon. So 0. 7 bromo. Bromine no 7 position. 7 bromo. Total carbons 9 no. Nonane. 9 means nonane. So this is the name of the bicyclo compounds writing method. This is correct way for that. Next, one more compounds is there, that is Spiro. What is that? Spiro compound. Bicyclo and Spiro compound. Spiro compounds naming. How can you give Spiro? When 2 rings are fused. Fused means I will show you at common carbon. Common carbon. What is common carbon? That carbon is quaternary carbon, 4 degree carbon. Quaternary carbon means that carbon attached to 4 groups. 4 groups. See the example I will show you. You can understand. So for that one, example is this is, see here, this carbon, here carbon is there, here also carbon, here also carbon, 3 carbons, here carbon, here carbon, here carbon, here, all these carbons is there. So this carbon we will call 4 degree carbon, because this carbon attached to 4 carbon atoms, quaternary carbon atom that is. So we will give name for the this is a Spiro. Naming of this Spiro, naming, how can you give? Spiro is prefix. There how bicyclo, here also prefix is Spiro. I will give one example. Spiro example, Spiro compound, Spiro compounds example. Spiro compounds example. Number of carbon atoms, number of carbon atoms in ring are written in increasing order. They are decreasing, here increasing, SSING, increasing order. Word root and suffix. Word root is suffix, prefix what? Spiro. Okay, now one example. I am taking one example. This is the best example. See here, number of carbon, here 1 carbon, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons total. Total 5 carbons. Total 5 carbons. We will give that is prefix Spiro as it is. Bracket open, 2.2, because this side 2, this side also 2 carbons is there. 2, total carbons is 5. Pentane. This is Spiro compound. Same like bicyclo, but here also carbon is there. We will call Spiro. That only difference. Next, one more example. Like this is a benzene ring. Like here, one compound is there. Otherwise, like this is not there. Okay, like this. Here 1 2 3. So we will call this is a Spiro increasing order. No, increasing order means bracket open 3.5. 1 2 3 4 5. No, 1 2 3 4 5. 3 comma 5. 3 comma 5. No name. No name. How many no name means 9. 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, ma. This is Spiro 3 comma 5 no name. Spiro 3 comma 5. 3 means 1 2 3. In this compound 3 carbons. In this compound 5 carbons. Spiro means attached this ring attached carbon. We will call Spiro. That's all. This is Spiro compounds name, nomenclature of Spiro compound. If substituent present means, if substituent present, then what we will do? So numbering starts from adjacent carbon, to common carbon. Adjacent carbon to common carbon and move through smaller ring. Move through smaller ring. In that move through big ring, but here smaller ring to large ring. Smaller ring to large ring. So I will give one example. So this is the example. Here one carbon, here one, here one, here one, here one, here one. Like this carbon atoms is there. So for this compound, according to this, numbering starts from the adjacent carbon. Numbering starts from the adjacent carbon. Adjacent carbon to common carbon. Adjacent carbon to common carbon. Adjacent carbon to common carbon. Move through the smaller ring to bigger. Smaller ring to large ring. Smaller ring to large ring. Adjacent carbon means here adjacent in this both. This is only no. We will give one number here 2 3. For this one also we will give number in this Spiro compounds 4 5 6 7 8. Total 8 carbon atoms is there. Name is Spiro. We will give here smaller to bigger, no. So 3.4. Here 4 carbons. Here this side 3 is to 4. Here one bromine is there, in 6th carbon bromine. So this side only we will go for, like if it is substituent present means numbering starts from the adjacent carbon to common carbon. Adjacent carbons in this through the smaller ring adjacent carbon. Here we will give means 1 2 3 will come, but smaller ring we want to complete first all the numbers. Small numbers all we will give to smaller ring. So smaller ring to large ring we will go through like this 1 2 3. We won't give here 1 2 3 4 5 like. We will complete smaller ring all the carbon atoms, then only move for large number ring. So 3.4 6 bromo, sixth carbon have bromo group. Octane. So this is the name of